guys, here you can see it. One more video has been come of the Python, and in today's Python video, I am telling you about one more video has been come of the Python, and today's Python video, I am telling you about what are in the Python what a try except. Like in the previous video, we learned about the pip, and in today's video, we are learning about the try except. If you don't know what a try except in Python, so see the video start to it, and please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also. You never miss our future latest videos. So now I do not take a long time, and let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video Python, I am telling you about the try except. If we don't know what a try except, so let's learn about it. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The else block lets you execute code when there is no error, and the finally block lets you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except blocks. Exception handling. When an error occurs, or exception as we call it, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. These exceptions can be handled using the try statement. Which statement? Try statement. In the example, the try block will generate an exception because the x is not defined in this example. Let me copy it and let me open my file and save it, and it should give me an exception is occurred. Why? Because here I write like the exception is occurred. Sign, the try block raises an error, the except block will be executed. Without the try block, the program will crash and raise an error. This statement will raise an error because x is not defined. Here you can see it give me the error. Here you can see it because x is not defined. Many exceptions. You can define as many exceptions blocks as you want. For example, if you want to execute a special block of code for a special kind of error. In this example, we print a one message if the try block raises a name error and another for other errors. Like copy it and paste it. So it give me like variable x is not defined. Why it is giving the variable x is not defined? Because like I've told you, we print one message if the try block raises a name error and another for other errors. Else. You can use else keyword to define a block of code to be executed if no errors were raised. Like in the example, the try block does not generate any error. In the example, the try block does not generate any error. Let me show you. Save it and it should not give you any error. It give me hello, nothing went wrong. Why does not give me the error? Because I write here try block. That's why. That try block does not generate any error. Finally, the finally block if specified will be executed regardless if the try block raises an error or not. Like in this example, copy it and paste it. Save it and it should give me like something went wrong. The try except is finished. Here you can see why it is giving me like that, because the finally block if specified will be executed regardless if the try block raises an error or not. This can be useful to close objects and clean up resources. In this example, we try to open and write to a file that is not writable. In the example, let me copy it and paste it. Save it and it should give me like something went wrong when opening the file. Here you can see why like that. It is coming. Now let's come on here. The program can continue without leaving the file object open. Raise an exception. As a Python developer, you can choose to throw an exception if a condition occurs. To throw or raise an exception, use the raise keyword. Which keyword? Raise keyword. In the example is raise an error and stop the program if x is lower than 0. Okay. Let me save it and it should give me error. Here you can see it give me error. Why? It is giving me sorry, no number below 0. Why it is giving me that? Because it raised an error, like I have told you, it raised an error and stop the program if x is lower than 0. The raise keyword is used to raise an exceptions. You can define what kind of error to raise and the text to print to your user. In the example, we raise one type error if x is not an integer. In the example, let me copy it and let me paste it. Save it and then run it. So it give me error. Why? It give me only integers are allowed. Why it give me error? Like I have told you, it raise a type error if x is not an integer and the x is not integer, x is a data type. Okay, that's why it is giving the error. So here you can see it. So in today's video of the Python, I told you about a try except. So I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, never miss our future latest videos. So but for today, goodbye.